Hello everyone. Today I have a very useful video for you. If you spend hours watching long tutorials or reading dense PDFs, you know how hard it can be to take good notes and remember everything. I will show you exactly how to use NoteGPT, a powerful AI workspace to instantly summarize videos, generate presentations, and solve complex math problems in seconds. Let's get started. First, open NoteGPT and navigate to the YouTube Summarizer tool. Simply grab the URL of any long video or lecture, paste it into the designated box, and hit Generate Summary. The AI will immediately pull the full transcript and create a clean, time-stamped breakdown of the key points. This allows you to quickly copy the text or download the summary without having to sit through the entire video. Next, click on the PDF Summarizer option and upload any dense textbook, research paper, or work report. NoteGPT will scan the document and instantly turn it into structured notes so you don't have to read hundreds of pages manually. You can also click the built-in mind map feature here to visually break down those complex PDF topics into an easy-to-understand web of information. Now, select the AI presentation tool to instantly build a PowerPoint-style slide deck from scratch. Enter your topic, select your preferred language, tone, and length, and then choose an AI model to generate a structured outline. Once you pick a visual template, the AI will build a fully editable presentation. From there, you can rewrite text, swap out the color theme, and download the final file to use for your meeting or class. Finally, you can use the AI flashcards and math tools to speed up your studying. Simply type a topic to generate instant flippable study cards, or type a math problem like 3x plus 7 equals 22 directly into the AI math solver to get a step-by-step breakdown of the solution. Every single summary or flashcard you create is automatically saved in your personal note library. This means you can easily organize categories and never lose your work. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.